Welcome to a quick overview of IBM BlueworksLive. BlueworksLive is a tool that allows you to easily document and run your business processes in the cloud in a collaborative and simple way. BlueworksLive improves the way you work by allowing you to automate processes that are currently run via email, easily collaborate on daily tasks with coworkers across teams, departments, and the entire organization, access private and public communities focused on process improvement, and create process blueprints to discover, map, and document your processes in a way that is structured and usable by anyone in your company. With BlueworksLive, you'll be able to keep your team connected, on the same page, and working effectively. Let's take a more detailed look. BlueworksLive has three main features: blueprinting, process automation, and access to a social BPM community. For this demo, let's imagine I'm a hiring manager in the HR department of my company. We have lots of processes that we need to keep track of, and some that we need to automate. With BlueworksLive, I can create and find all my process blueprints and process apps in one place. First, let's discuss blueprinting processes in BlueworksLive. BlueworksLive is designed so that anyone can dive in and start documenting processes quickly and easily. Getting started is as easy as creating a bulleted list, which you can then rearrange through simple drag and drop. BlueworksLive gives you a form to capture all the important information about your process in a structured format. This high-level map has all the advantages of a whiteboard session with none of the transcribing. BlueworksLive takes the information you've entered here and automatically generates a process diagram for you, swim lanes and all. Any changes made to the diagram are kept in sync with the map as well as with the documentation views. BlueworksLive uses valid BPM notation, so now everyone in your organization will produce process diagrams in the same style and format, making it easy for everyone to understand your processes. The third aspect of blueprinting is the documentation view. Here I see all the detailed descriptions of my processes, in addition to the comments my team has made about them. Since all these views are linked, a change to one updates the other two. Now let's imagine I have a meeting with my IT department to make sure everyone on my team has access to all the systems involved with our process. Since we have documented this information in BlueworksLive, all I have to do is simply go to the analysis view and see what systems have been inputted in the process blueprint details. BlueworksLive seamlessly integrates with IBM WebSphere BPMS so that you can export your complex process blueprints to even further your process improvement efforts. Now let's take a look at how BlueworksLive can help you automate your simple processes that are done every day over email. My company is growing quickly, and as an HR hiring manager, I have to do a lot of approvals. With BlueworksLive, there is an easy way to get this work done effectively and with visibility. BlueworksLive can send you a notification when you have work due. Simply open your email and launch the work item. I can immediately see all the information I need to complete this task. I can choose to view the documents that are attached or add a document for others who are involved in this process. Since this requires my approval, I can decide to approve it, reject it, or reassign the task to someone else. I can also add comments so that everyone involved in this specific work item can be kept up to date with the latest conversations. BlueworksLive enables you to automate simple processes like these that are typically done and sometimes even lost in email threads. Setting up this process for new hire onboarding only took me about 90 seconds. Now that it's configured, we can run it every time someone gets hired. And since process apps within BlueworksLive are agile, I can quickly make changes to this ad hoc process with ease. Since I manage the space that this process app lives in, I can see the status of all the tasks for this process app within BlueworksLive. I can easily see that some tasks are overdue. Whenever you log into BlueworksLive, you're taken to the Work tab. Here you can see a list of all the work that is assigned to you, and you have the ability to choose to create a process blueprint or configure a new process application that you can share with your team. Now let's take a look at how BlueworksLive utilizes social networking to even further your BPM efforts. In one place, you're able to see what's happening within the private and public community. The public BPM stream on your right is our curated Twitter stream, which keeps you up to date with the latest in BPM technology and best practices. We're following BPM and process experts, and we encourage you to join in on our conversation by using the Twitter hashtag BWLive. The private activities stream is secure to your account. Here you can see everything that is happening with the activities, users, processes, and spaces within your BlueworksLive account. Quickly reply to comments, post information, and gain visibility in what's going on with the work that is relevant to you, your team, and your company. In addition, our Library tab includes some templates to help you get started quickly with blueprinting your processes. We're also featuring blog posts within our library so that you can learn more about what's happening with process topics that interest you. This concludes our quick tour of IBM Buleworks Live. To try Buleworks Live for yourself, sign up for a free and full access 30-day trial today at www.blueworkslive.com.